is Angela Owens with Phenomenal Business Solutions, and I help businesses increase their profits, streamline their finances, and grow their businesses. So today we are going to be talking about the different tax credits and deductions. So, so the tax credits and deductions matter because they reduce your income, they directly lower taxes owed, and 2025 is a pivotal year for maximizing tax strategy. So credits are dollar for dollar tax reductions, and deductions reduce your taxable income. So, for example, your deductions are like your mortgage interest deduction. So you're going to owe less based on your taxable income. Now, credits, they reduce your income after the tax. So whatever your taxable income is, they will be able to give you credit, and some of them are actually refundable. So here's the child tax credit. You can get up to $2,000 per child, and it's partially refundable. So what that means is if you owe $3,000 in taxes and you qualify for the child tax credit of $2,000, now you owe $1,000. But if you don't owe any taxes, then your refund is only going to be $1,600 in 2025. The Child and Dependent Care Credit is a non-refundable tax credit. So again, if you owe $3,000 in taxes and you're single, then you get $3,000 credit. So now you owe zero taxes. But if you owe zero taxes, you don't get a refund of anything. And the child care and dependent care credit won't really matter for you. And the earned income tax credit is for low to moderate income workers. And the maximum of the credit is about $7,000. And you have to have earned income, and it's phased out at higher income. So it's kind of a bell curve based on your income. So there is a peak amount. And then once you hit that peak amount, then anybody on the other side is going to start going down just like it did coming up on the other side. And then we have the education credits, the American Opportunity Tax Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit. So for the American Opportunity Tax Credit, it's up to $2,500 per year per eligible student. It's only for the first 4 years of higher education, and it's 40% refundable up to $1,000 even if you owe nothing. Lifetime learning credit is up to $2,000 total per tax return, and there's no limit on the years of education. And it also covers graduate courses and certification. And we got small business healthcare tax credit that helps small business to provide health insurance to their employees. You get up to 50% of the premium paid for your employees. And it's for people who have less than 25 full-time employees and average wages under $60,000. Then we have the Work Opportunity Tax Credit. That's for hiring employees from targeted groups such as veterans, long-term unemployed, and ex-felons. And you can also get a credit for up to $2,400 to $9,600 per employee. And you have to file an IRS Form 8850 within 28 days of hiring. And we have the research and development tax credit that is to reward for investing in innovation. And it covers wages, supplies, contractor research, and it offsets payroll taxes for startups. So this program is available to startups and small businesses, not just the big corporations. So if you have a business where you are doing innovative things and starting prototypes and different things like that, this is definitely a credit that you should look into. And then we have energy efficient commercial building deductions. So that will qualify you with new construction or retrofits that reduce energy costs. The deduction is $2.50 to $5 per square foot, and it applies to designers on government projects as well. And it covers HVAC, lighting, building envelope improvements as well. So definitely, if while you are renovating your buildings or getting new buildings, look into things that are going to reduce energy, and that could definitely help you on your taxes as well. And green energy credits is for residential clean energy credit, and you get 30%. And you get clean vehicle credit up to $7,500 if you decide to buy an electrical vehicle. And then you get a home energy rebate. They have home energy rebate programs that are state specific. So check with your state and see how they handle that. Now we got the savers credit that encourages retirement contributions. You get a credit of up to $1,000 or $2,000 for married filing jointly, and there are income limits that apply. So you can donate to your 401k, your IRA, or even your self-employment retirement. So common mistakes that you want to avoid. You don't want to miss your eligible credit, and you want to make sure that you are properly allocating for your education credits, and remember about the ones that are refundable. So if you need help with any of this, I would love to sit down with you and go over your tax situation to make sure you benefit the most. And you can book your appointment with me at pbsllc.pro/calendar page. And make sure you download your tax organizer at pbsllc.pro/tax organizer. I look forward to meeting you, and have a wonderful rest of your Tuesday. Bye.